Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ismida Rahmawati from Semarang State University. In this video, I will present my paper about the effectiveness of using augmented reality mobile learning media to improve students' learning interest about solar system. Introduction. According to Supratin in 2015, the decline in student interest in learning process in science subject can be caused by various factors, including other factors that come from themselves or internal factors, and factors that come from the environment or external factor. Factors that come from themselves can be such as a laziness, overstatement of tasks, unsuitable independent learning style, and easily getting bored. According to Suprihatin in 2015, one strategy that can be used to increase student interest in learning is using learning media. There were some of media that usually used in learning process, such as PowerPoint, teaching aid, or augmented reality. From those kind of various learning media, augmented reality is an effective learning media to overcome the decline in student interest in learning by using augmented reality in the material of solar system. Parayuda et al. In 2017 state that the use of mobile-based augmented reality as a learning medium for the material of solar system can simplify the learning process. The material of solar system studies everything that exists in outer space. So, with the using of augmented reality by implementation of three-dimensional objects that can visualize the solar system, such as the sun, planets, and other space objects that can be created according to the learning content to be implemented, that the information become more interesting for students to learn. So, this study aims to know the effectiveness of augmented reality as a learning medium to increase student interest in studying the material of solar system. The method that used in writing this article is a literature study based on previous research that is relevant to student interest learning and the use of augmented reality as a learning media for the material of solar system. According to Masari and Lasmi in 2018, by using augmented reality can make the information more interesting for the education, and it can entertain students in learning. According to Pekerti in 2017, with the implementation of augmented reality that can combine the real world and the virtual world or the three-dimensional object, so that can allow students to interact in an environment that is stimulated by a mobile-based application that can use in smartphone or computer. According to Mustaqim in 2017, there was some of advantage of using augmented reality as a learning media. First is, with using augmented reality as a learning media, it's easy to use for the student and the teacher, and it can access everywhere and anytime. And this media can be applied in various media, like smartphone or in computer. And second, because augmented reality is a mobile-based application, so it needs large enough of memory. With the implementation of augmented reality as a learning media, can overcome students' interest in learning, including, according to Hadi in 2013, with using augmented reality as a learning media, it can delivering the material of solar system by introducing planets in the solar system, with using three-dimensional objects so that makes students more interesting and like to learn the material of solar system. Because with the visualization of the object that can arrangement and composition of the solar system and the picture of the solar system is become clear so that it can attract student interest to learn about the material of the solar system. According to Masri and Lasmi in 2018, with using augmented reality as a learning media, students can have a better understanding of the material by using augmented reality as a learning tool that can visualize solar system subjects such planets, satellites, asteroids, and other in three-dimensional objects so that the information obtained by students is more interesting. Because with the three-dimensional objects that are displayed, students can interact with this object and get an overall picture of the planet, then make it easy for students to understand about the material. According to Sugianto in 2018, with using augmented reality as a learning media, can increase the comprehension and imagination of students by displaying three-dimensional objects so that make them more real so that they support the learning process. This is one of advantage of using augmented reality because if students only see the image or picture of the solar system, there is a limit in imagination. But with the three-dimensional object, students can see the wall of the solar system that it increases student imagination. The conclusion in this paper is, with using augmented reality as a learning media is an effective learning medium to use to increase student interest in learning. Because with the augmented reality, the material of the solar system is can visualized by a three-dimensional object that can combine the real world and the virtual world. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.